Non-title match.
Yes, non-title match.
What happened to Luke's glasses?
Because the Dirty Birds don't deserve a title match. They keep losing every chance they get, so why would they get a title?
That's all right. We're
Hey.
going to get this right because Terry's going to get it
Hey,
going.
I agree with your point. They have lost multiple times.
Look, he wants to be a Dirty Bird.
Get his Rick Rude on over there.
And he wants to be
doing-
Dalton Love.
So if you don't know, that's the Dalton Love's gimmick there.
You got to love
You
that.
gotta love that.
You got to love that.
You gotta love that, yeah.
Kelly was loving me when I had my shirt off earlier.
No, we weren't making fun of you. We were about to throw up.
I didn't
What
say
did she
you,
do?
I said your wife.
She's over there throwing up too. Look at her.
No, she enjoyed it. She just doesn't want you to know.
Oh, that's it. It's a big secret.
Okay, Marcus, what does the Dirty Birds have to do to win this match?
Get the 1, 2, 3.
Call the fashion police.
I really can't call that.
They gotta
Because
either
you
get
got
the
one of
1,
the
2,
top tag
3
teams in
or
the
make them
state.
submit.
Yes, I think what they have to
That's how you
do
win a match.
is they got to really speed it up. I know Luke and Dalton can go at a fast pace, but I think with their strength, they've got to really.
Yeah, they got to stay on.
I think Goose and Rooster need to slow it down for this match.
I don't. I think they got
I
to
think
speed
they
it
should
up.
slow it down.
I don't think they can out wrestle Dalton and Luke.
Oh no, I think they can.
I don't think
that's
they
their
can.
bread and butter.
I think they can
It's
use
either
their strength.
strength
I think
or-
they got to use their strength, but it's got to be quick.
Well, the thing is, though, once they get their upper edge, they got to not stop. They got to just stay on it.
Yeah,
And you can't forget, Savage Love has the experience advantage.
yes. They do have the experience advantage.
Oh yes, they do.
All right, Colorado tie-up. Got Rooster and Savage starting it off. Savage just choking him in the corner.
Right.
I can make comments. I will not. About choking.
Oh.
We are talking fouls in here, right? We can get deep in here sometimes.
Another tie-up here. Savage gets the advantage
Dalton
again.
over here just yakking with the fans, not even paying attention to the match.
Well, he knows that Luke has it right now.
That's called trusting your tag team partner.
Dalton.
Here we go with the fans.
I know Rooster and Goose is close, but Dalton and Luke have been they've been teammates in high school wrestling and middle school and junior high, so they know each other very well.
Well, that has
as Goose and Rooster does too.
So you actually got 4 wrestlers in there that have been together for a long time.
Yes.
So, yeah, that's a good.
Oh, big shoulder tackle there by Savage. Oh, drops the
Luke's
leg.
taking it to him.
Dalton Love's over there
One.
tormenting the Christian Cash fans.
Only a 2 count.
There are a lot of Christian Cash t-shirts out here.
Yeah,
Kind of
there
making
is.
me sick.
Savage with a sleeper hold.
Wow.
A sleeper hold.
I mean, that's one way we're
I don't know. Dalton's making fun of somebody. I don't know who he's talking about.
I think he's making fun of Rooster in
I
there.
think he's taunting children again.
That could also be.
They had a loser sign up. Maybe he was talking.
I don't know. I think he's talking to you.
Savage tags in Love. Ooh, body slam by Luke. Dalton's on top.
Oh,
Ooh.
man.
I mean, do we have to lower the mic down a little bit for you so we can hear you?
Oh.
There, I got it.
Big elbow to midsection. Only a 2 count.
Now he's arguing with the referee.
I mean, when the ref's an idiot, you got to argue with it.
I can't argue that point.
Rooster with the shot to the midsection. Oh, Dalton with a big back elbow.
We've had him on commentary before. I know what you mean.
Oh my God! I'm so sorry for you. I'm sorry about that.
You've had who I'm talking to?
He got a
You had that
GED,
referee on
right?
I don't
commentary?
think he got that.
Yes.
I think his highest education was he graduated like maybe 4th grade.
Nice vertical suplex there, my love.
You mean to tell me you couldn't find anybody else?
He just sat down.
Cover. 1. Goose in to break it up.
I mean, that's like that's the bottom of the barrel.
Looks like he pumps gas at self-serve station. Whatever. You know.
You see that guy over there, that weird hat? You could have probably got him to help.
That's
out.
true. I know.
I mean, even you could have got the that kick over there. Marcus' brother.
Big head
Oh.
kick to the midsection.
Yeah.
Jackson Savage.
Man, right now,
Or brought Kelly on it.
right now, Luke and them are really destroying them.
There we go.
Oh. 1, 2. On your 2 count.
That was close.
Love taunting the Dirty Birds a little bit.
Rooster's taking a beating right now.
Shit, he really needs to get tagged in this.
Oh, he's way over
He
there.
really needs to tag out.
Well, he can't tag out because Dalton's still out there in the middle of the audience.
I'm not talking about Savage. I'm talking about Rooster.
Big suplex.
Rooster's been having it handed.
1, 2.
Wow.
Yeah, Rooster.
Let that happen.
Rooster needs to make a tag in a bad way.
Tag out.
Terry must have feared for his life.
I mean, he looked at you. That's bound to kill anybody.
Love comes in.
Good tag team wrestling from Savage
Yeah,
Love. over there.
Savage Love's definitely playing it up. Uh-oh.
And that's the experience right there. That's what that is.
Whoa! Rooster with a big counter there.
Big double suplex.
Got that second ring, baby. Look at him.
He needs to make a tag though.
Yeah, he should.
He should be coming, yeah. But of course, he's not going to.
Oh, big spine buster.
My
Tag,
God.
tag.
That was nice.
There you go.
There, you learned how to tag. Good job. Now they're stripping.
Oh, look, I didn't think they're.
Hey, they are talking about the stripper gimmick like we were talking about.
Yeah. Oh, my God.
Headbutt off the top rope.
Not nearly as good as the
Oh,
Dudley
my
Boys, but it was pretty.
Must be like a reverse goose or something.
But he wasn't able to stay on him and take advantage of him.
No. See, this is where
They're playing with the crowd. That's an experience right there.
Yep.
That's what that is.
It's where some of the inexperience shows.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
Big
brother.
forearm to the back.
I mean, wow, showing some dirty tactics from the Dirty Bird.
Oh, yeah.
That's not usual.
Oh, that was
Well, I think they're
pretty
mad.
smart right there.
I think they're pretty upset at this point.
Maybe I need to talk to the Dirty Birds and see if they need a manager.
Well, they do, but
Big chop by goose.
it won't be you.
Look, you can't get a better manager than me.
You'll probably get another guy named Chick
Big
or
overhand
You
chop.
can't get a better manager than me.
that's almost like
Like
they can't get a
guys
better.
go straight
That's
to
what
the
they said at
top.
McDonald's, didn't they?
Yank them by the
Guys
hair.
go straight to the
Can't
top.
get a better
Oh,
manager.
big splash in the corner.
Uh-oh.
I mean, look,
Over that suplex.
the guy I managed in WCWO,
That could be it right there.
his match after I took over, he beat Baron Von Kane.
Who took over who? What?
His first match after he came to
With that reverse-
my tutelage,
reverse
he
chin
beat
lock.
Baron Von Kane.
Okay, Barrett, 150-year-old man. Okay,
Look,
man, you are.
that is a legend in the business right there.
Yeah, when he was like, I don't know, 1930.
Oh,
80 years ago.
nice counter.
Oh, Savage got him in a choke.
Savage with the chokehold. But the refs saw it.
This is what showboating gets you. See, now they lost control again.
Yeah.
Jackson Savage. Oh, Dalton pulls a Rooster in
That
there.
was good.
Oh, body slam. Uh-oh, you know what they're going for
Yeah, they
here?
are.
Yep.
Stay out of the way, referee. You'll have a bloody lip too.
Oh.
Oh, they're both.
Yelling at
Both
the
going
refs
up top.
to get out of the way.
Oh, snap.
Here we go. This is beautiful.
Oh, they waited too long. They waited too
That was
long.
a little bit too much time.
Going outside the
Yep.
ring.
Savage up, no
Dalton was
mistake
hurt.
there.
Savage. Oh,
Are we
man.
setting up for
Oh, big clothesline.
This could be
Hit
good.
him.
He did the device right there.
Come on, ref.
1, 2, 3.